regular sake, now it's like a drink for your date. Hello everyone, I'm Koji. I'm a freelance sake som. Today I'd like to share with you how to turn your regular sake into a sake for your date. Today, let's just do an experiment. I actually, to be honest, hated this idea of sake cocktails because I thought it would be kind of against the tradition, and I don't know, I was always telling people that sake is something that you should have it always neat or on its own. But I'm changing my mind because the corona pandemic, whatever it is, post-corona, with corona, have been changing a lot of things now, and I am changing myself as well. So it's just an experiment, new experiment for me too. This one here today, what I have is Hakutsuru Maru. By the way, Hakutsuru is the biggest sake company. Is located near Kobe in Nara district, and this Maru brand is the #1 selling sake in Japan, what it says here on the label. So this is obviously regular sake. This cost me like less than 200 yen for this 200 ml little glass cup. And today what I have here is yogurt and little honey. This is made in China. Japanese Japanese honey is kind of expensive, and then I just ended up getting this Chinese version, which should be quite good as well. And this, what I have here is Shiso. Shiso is like aromatic leaves. It's often used for Japanese cuisine, and let's say it's like a Japanese mint. It really has this aromatic fragrance. Okay, and let's just do it. Oh, by the way, mass-produced sake's quality, I think, has been getting better and better, but now it's quite drinkable. So let's just do a little bit like a half of it, 90 ml, and let's put some yogurt in it. So this yogurt is from Awajishima Island off Kobe Bay area or Osaka Bay area, which is an island resort for local Osaka Kobe people. It's really nice island there. Okay, 1 scoop, maybe another. Chinese honey, stir well. It's not bad. Maybe just a little more yogurt. The acidity that the yogurt has, I think it really balances nicely in sake. Put some shiso mint, shiso leaves. Alright, looks like it's done. Let's see how it looks like. Doesn't it look good? That smells like really shiso. I think this is really good with ice, really easy and nice. If you don't have shiso leaves, maybe you can just substitute it with something else, like a little bit like fragrant leaves that's available just near you. So this is really refreshing, good for summer, good for this humid Japanese weather in this season too. Yeah, this is the first experiment I made. Shiso, yogurt, and a little honey, and regular sake. Now it's like a drink for your date. Kanpai!